Subscribe to our channel for the latest update videos.
Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a magical forest known as the Enchanted Grove. This forest was home to many mystical creatures and wondrous plants, but none was as special as Kiwi, a tiny bird with vibrant green feathers that shimmered like emeralds in the sunlight. Kiwi was not just any bird. She was the guardian of the Enchanted Grove. Despite her small size, she had a big heart and a kind spirit. Her duty was to ensure that the forest remained a safe and happy place for all its inhabitants. She had the ability to understand the language of every creature and even communicate with the trees and flowers. One bright morning, as Kiwi was making her rounds, she noticed something unusual. The flowers looked wilted, and the usually cheerful birds and animals seemed sad. Kiwi flew down to her friend Tilly the Tortoise, who was always full of wisdom. "Tilly, what's happening to our forest? Why does everything seem so gloomy?" Kiwi asked, with concern. Tilly sighed deeply. "Kiwi, a dark spell has been cast over the Enchanted Grove. A jealous wizard named Grimwald, envious of our happiness, has cursed the forest. The only way to break the spell is to find the Crystal Dewdrop, which is hidden deep within the caves of Echo." Determined to save her home, Kiwi decided to embark on this challenging quest. Tilly, too old to join her, gave Kiwi a magical leaf that would guide her way and protect her from harm. With a brave heart, Kiwi set off towards the caves of Echo. As Kiwi flew over hills and valleys, she encountered various creatures who were affected by the curse. A family of rabbits who couldn't find food, a bear whose honey had turned bitter, and even a deer whose beautiful antlers had lost their shine. Kiwi comforted each of them, promising to return the forest to its former glory. Finally, Kiwi reached the entrance of the Caves of Echo, a dark and ominous place that echoed with eerie sounds. Summoning her courage, she entered the cave. The magical leaf glowed softly, lighting her path. Deeper and deeper she went until she reached a chamber filled with glittering crystals. In the center, there it was, the Crystal Dewdrop, sparkling like a star. As Kiwi approached the Crystal Dewdrop, a booming voice filled the chamber. "Who dares to enter my domain?" It was Grimwald, the wizard. "I am Kiwi, the guardian of the Enchanted Grove," she replied boldly. "I have come to take back the Crystal Dewdrop and restore my home." Grimwald laughed menacingly. "You? A tiny bird? What can you possibly do?" But Kiwi stood her ground. "It's not about size or power, Grimwald. It's about heart and love. The Enchanted Grove is my home, and I will protect it." With that, Kiwi flapped her wings and the magical leaf began to glow brighter. The light intensified, filling the chamber with a brilliant radiance that made Grimwald cover his eyes. Seizing the moment, Kiwi flew to the Crystal Dewdrop and touched it with the leaf. Instantly, the curse was lifted, and the Crystal Dewdrop began to shine even brighter. Defeated by the purity and strength of Kiwi's heart, Grimwald vanished in a puff of smoke. Kiwi carefully carried the Crystal Dewdrop back to the Enchanted Grove. As she flew over the forest, the flowers bloomed again, the animals regained their joy, and the trees swayed happily in the breeze. Kiwi placed the Crystal Dewdrop in the heart of the forest, where it would always be safe. The Enchanted Grove was